Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gets at Law. We have Ranveer with us who has scored All India Rank 15 in ALET 2024. We have come here to understand his journey, how he went about it. Hi Ranveer, tell us something about yourself.
Hi guys, I'm Ranveer Amit Nalawade. I'm currently studying in the 12th grade in the commerce stream. So I scored an All India rank of 15 in ALET 2024. I started my journey to achieve this goal with IMS around 1.5 years ago with the offline 2-year law batch.
Correct.
And yeah, it was a good journey with a lots of ups and downs and a lot of learnings.
Oh, nice. Can you tell us something about your journey, how you started the prep, how did you land onto this?
Basically, the first mock I gave was one without zero prep. It was to understand what kind of questions they ask us in RCCR and also to understand what they expect from us in GK. So how much in-depth knowledge and stuff. So that was one mock, and also I analyzed some previous year question papers to get an idea of how do I start preparation.
Correct.
That's it. And in my first mock itself, I realized my legal is very good. I scored good marks over there, but I didn't do well in quant because of the time crunch. And GK, obviously, I was unprepared for it. And talking about RC, I realized my vocab is very weak. I couldn't understand difficult words and stuff. So that was something I had to work on, and that's how it started.
Oh, nice. So while you started your prep, what were these challenges you're facing?
There were a lot of challenges, and this is something very common which I've observed in all my batchmates as well. So one of them is the mock score inconsistency. It is something everyone faces. So sometimes you score very high, and then due to lack of focus or either difficulty of the mock, you score very less in the next one. And this is where people get demotivated. But the what you're supposed to do is believe in yourself and believe in your hard work.
Correct.
That if you've reached so far, it means you can get back to it.
Correct.
There's usually what with me what happened is there was a lack of focus during mocks. When I scored less, there was a lack of focus. So I made sure that I'm focused during the 2 hours. It's only those 2 hours you have to give, which with full focus as if everything is at stake, and then yeah, things work out.
So the key is to stay consistent.
Stay focused.
Okay.
And
Nice.
also, as I said earlier, the vocabulary problem. So it's something that you have to work on. Read newspapers and stuff. Work on it. Find some difficult words. Read There's this book called Word Power Made Easy. Complete that book before you give your CLAT exam. It's a necessity. Also, like I found that book to be something wherein you have to rote learn words, and which is why after 2 days I stopped reading that book. But then later I realized it's a book wherein you have to interact with the book and understand what it's trying to say, and then understand the root words. So yeah, these are some of the common challenges I face.
Challenges you faced. How do you think IMS helped you in your journey?
Yeah, so IMS, first of all, talking about the mocks, mocks were really good. Like the RCCR section was something I used to look forward to in the mock. Because what happens is because of the difficulty level, when you make mistakes and when you analyze them later, you realize what error you made, and then it widens the scope of improving your marks because if you cover that mistake. So yeah, the mocks used to be of good quality, and also the modules that they give, like the part B book and all of that. When you go home, you can give sectionals, like a time sectional with 1 mark per question is 1 minute per question is what I did. And yeah, the material was really good quality, and also like you all had recorded lectures on the portal. So in case I missed any lecture or something, I ensured that I watched the recorded lectures on the portal.
Beautiful. That's great to hear. There are too many people who are watching it and they all aspire to become lawyers, or they are going to write their CLAT exam or ALET. What advice would you like to give to all the people who would now appear for this exam?
Yeah, so first of all, being consistent in this exam is very important. So don't take many breaks, because I remember when my 11th standard final exams were there, I'd taken a break for 2 weeks to study for that exam, and that is one time when my mock score dropped a lot. So make sure even if you have your exam, at least study 2 to 3 hours for CLAT every day. So there's that consistency, and that reading habit doesn't go away. Also, ensure you read the newspaper religiously along with the Word Power Made Easy book. And other than that, quant, you know, one should start doing quant from today itself. You know, getting like a full in quant is something that'll push you in the top 200 ranks. Because what happens is majority of the students have this phobia regarding math, and they either skip it or they do only like, you know, just upper se, and they, yeah. So that's where the problem happens for most. So make sure your quant is strong. You'll have a good amount of time. 1.5 year is good amount of time to cover quant properly. So yeah, just ensure you do quant, and yeah, that's it.
The idea is to not keep a backlog, keep
Yeah. GK, don't keep a backlog. Like as you get the important topics, keep covering it up. What mistake I made was I kept the important topics in the end for the last 10 days. I thought I'll do it in the end, it'll be fresh in the mind.
Yeah.
Plus the topic will be entirely covered in the sense that, for example, Chandrayaan, I kept it in the last 10 days because I thought all experiments and all will be done. All the, you know, websites, ISRO website and all will cover it. So I'll do it in the end. But there's so much stress in the end. You're overthinking. You're doing this, that, and people are telling you do this, do that. You get confused
Yeah.
and you tend to forget it. So like in my case, I remember I was doing Chandrayaan on the, like, the day the exam was, in the car while going to the center from my home. I was doing Chandrayaan. So please don't do that mistake. Cover all important topics as they come out, and also, yeah, stay updated. Read newspaper daily. That's it.
Thank you. I think that would be helpful to all the people who are listening. And thanks, Ranveer, coming here and talking to us about your journey.